Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Starbucks app won't let me sign in. So this is going to be a very easy one, so let's start it if you're interested. So the first thing that you want to do here is you first want to check if the Starbucks app application is currently experiencing any issues. So go ahead and open up any browser that you have right now and basically type in is Starbucks app down. Now from here, just click on the first link, which is down detector. And from here, it's going to show you if there are any application or issues in the application itself. So right now, if you see any spike that's happening on the application or there are reported outages, like you see right now, there's a spike in this specific region here. As you can see, it means that a number of users actually experiencing issues. What you need to do here is basically wait for those issues to get resolved accordingly. So Starbucks will solve this issue itself. You just need to wait for this to actually solve itself. So once they solve this issue, you just basically try signing in and hopefully that actually solves the issue. But if that doesn't solve the issue, we have another way to actually solve this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your Google Play Store and check if there are any updates on the Starbucks application. Now in here, if you see any updates, make sure to install that and see if that actually solves your issue. If not, or if there are any updates on your application, then the next thing that we want to do is we want to clear all our data on the application itself. So let's just go back here and locate the Starbucks application. Now from here, press and hold on the Starbucks application and go to app info. And from here, you want to click on clear data at the bottom of your screen. And here, just click on clear all data and just click on OK. So we just cleared all our data, and from there, check if that actually solves your issue, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.